Whole bunch of birds flying away.
Tell them the date.
Well, I don't know what date it is. I just got up.
Saturday, December the 9th. Or February.
February the 9th, not December.
I was gonna say, good heavens. I can't even get the right month anymore.
Well, look at that, Marcia.
And look at him out in the field. I don't know if you can get.
Yeah,
look
that's
at
what
him
I'm
coming
getting.
from the field. Wow, that's unreal. Unreal. Okay, buddy, need your help.
Coming from everywhere. Marcia, look at all in the field over there.
Yeah. Come on, Zach. I really need your help, honey. I know you want to record.